In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change your DocuSign signature while signing a document. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need to update your signature, this guide will make it super easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your browser and head to DocuSign's official website. Log in with your email and password to access your dashboard. Once inside, go to the Agreement section. Here you will find all your documents, both pending signatures and the ones you've already sent. Open the document where you want to change your signature. Click the Sign button to enter the signing interface. Now look for the signature field on the document. Simply click on it and you see an option to change or update your signature. At this stage, DocuSign gives you a few choices. You can draw your signature using a mouse or touchscreen. Pick from DocuSign's pre-formatted styles, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose the method that works best for you, adjust it until you're happy, and confirm the changes. Once done, review your document to make sure your updated signature looks correct. If everything's in place, go ahead and finish signing. And that's it. Your DocuSign signature is now updated while signing. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial made things easier for you. If it helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next video.